Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit is a free legal service dedicated to helping people with any family violence-related matters. In this video, we are going to break down what is an interim family violence order and how it can help someone who is experiencing family violence. If you or someone you know is experiencing family violence, Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit is here to help. This unit is staffed by specialist family violence lawyers each day, ready to help you with your family violence matter. You are able to speak with a lawyer either over the phone or at Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit, located at the ACT Magistrates Court. The unit at the ACT Magistrates Court is staffed between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. each weekday, and no appointment is necessary. If you have recently experienced family violence, or if there is a threat of imminent family violence in the future, our lawyers may be able to help you by preparing an application for an interim family violence order. We can do this for free on the spot, either over the phone or at the Magistrates Court. We can file that application for you, and then later that day, we can appear in court on your behalf and apply for an interim family violence order. An interim family violence order is a civil order that can be obtained quickly and at no cost from the Magistrates Court. They are for people who need immediate protection from family violence. They work by prohibiting one person from engaging in behaviour that causes the other person to feel fearful. For example, the interim family violence order may stop the other person from contacting you, from coming to your home, to remove someone from a shared home, from coming to your place of work, or from coming within 100 metres of you. Interim family violence orders can be quite restrictive or lenient, depending on what is necessary to keep you safe. Family violence orders in themselves are not criminal orders, and someone will not have a criminal record against them just because they have an interim family violence order against them. However, breaching a family violence order is a very serious criminal offence, and it may result in criminal charges being laid by the police. We should all feel safe at all times. If the behaviour of a family member, including a current or former intimate partner, is causing you to feel unsafe or concerned for the safety of any child you may have, you may wish to contact Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit to see how our family violence lawyers can help you. It's really important to remember that you do not have to experience physical violence to have grounds for an interim family violence order. Family violence can also include sexual violence, emotional or psychological abuse, economic abuse, threatening behaviour, coercive behaviour, or any behaviour that causes a child to hear, witness, or otherwise be exposed to family violence. To get free and confidential help regarding any family violence matter, or to find out more about this service, you can drop into the Legal Aid ACT Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit located at the ACT Magistrates Court on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m, or call our free helpline on 1300 654 314. For non-legal support, you can contact the Domestic Violence Crisis Service, or DVCS, on their 24-hour crisis hotline on 6280 0900. If your immediate safety is at risk, or if you need urgent assistance, please call emergency services on 000.